morning friends, day 1 we have reached Leh. It's I think minus 10 degrees and we are kind of acclimatizing ourselves. We got a shock when our SpO2 was 77, so drinking hot water and it came to 87. And yes, you can see the beautiful Kadungla Pass behind me and the Pangong Lake is over that side. And there is nothing much to do except have a good SpO2 level and then we'll chill. Hello friends, it's end of day 1 and we have come for a short hike to warm ourselves up, and day 1 was really good. We are getting used to the cold and the temperature over here. It's 10 p.m. and minus 15 degrees right now. Behind me you can see Shanti Stupa. Good morning friends, it's day 2 and minus 16 degrees. We are much better today. The Josh is very high and today we are going to see a lot of tourist places in and around Leh, starting from Sangam, Magnetic Hill, Patthar Sahib. Then we are going to the Hemis Monastery, Shanti Stupa and some more places which I forgot. So that's okay, Rohan can tell it. And yes, we are much better today. End of day 2 and we had an unbelievable amazing night. We did a lot of dance, a lot of garba, interacted with a lot of people whom we did not interact in the last one day, and we went to a lot of places and it was a very good day. We did not have any issues with our body, with cold, with headaches, nothing. We are perfectly fit and fine and really looking forward to go to the Chada trek. And tomorrow we have our medical checkup, and so fingers crossed. And right now we are in our room. You can see there are like 1, 2, 3 layers of blankets. We are wearing 4 layers of jacket, t-shirts and whatnot on our body, and it is minus 16 degrees right now. Good night.
Hello, good night.
Good morning friends, it's day 3 and we have our medical checkup today, and as you can see the energy behind, all are warming up before the medical checkup and they are doing garba because they are Gujaratis. Buchu Bhai rocks, and yeah, even I'll do one round. Hello friends, so yes, we are in the Leh market. Behind me is the tourist information center where we'll be having our medical checkup, and yes, this is the final step towards the Chadda trek, and hopefully all 10 of us will clear it and we'll go for the Chadda trek tomorrow morning. Thank you. Hello friends, it's day 4 and yesterday our BP was high, so we couldn't clear the medical. So our medical is in the next half an hour and hopefully we'll be able to clear it and go for the Chadda trek. So we are resting before the medical is done and the BP comes normal. And yesterday we could not do end of day 3 because we did not get the certificate because everybody else got the certificate in the group. And yes, we are excited for the Chadda trek.
हेलो एवरीवन, चादर जाएंगे, जलेबी पौवा खाएंगे, गरबा खेलेंगे, हिप 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 हिप।
Hello friends, it's day 4 and we have finally reached the day 1 of the trek, and you can see the frozen river behind me, and we are going to walk and come back around 60 kilometers in 5 days. So yeah, I got my medical done today, like just in time, like say 10 minutes before the track, and hopefully we'll complete the track. Enjoy.
Yes, Abbas. Yes, Abbas.
Good morning, friends. It's day 5 and we are at our first campsite. We spent our night over here in this freezing cold. We stayed in this tent and it was really cold, but we managed to wake up with a lot more energy and we are gonna trek for 6 to 7 hours today. See you at the second campsite. Bye. So the chadar is not frozen over here, and this comes the tricky part. So yes. So the porter is helping us out to get down, and you can see the chadar is flowing. So guys, there's a snowfall. I hope you're able to see the snowflakes, and this is a mini waterfall. And yeah, snowfall is bad news for us. So we are kind of stuck right now, as there is no frozen chadar. They have gone to see if we can go through the mountains, and the whole camp is here. Everybody is here. Gopal bhai is here. Rest people are coming at the back, and they say it's a knee deep water, and we might have to cross from the knee deep water or go through the mountains. He's our guide, LP. Hi, LP. Hi. We are completely changed. You can see we are in half pants. We have removed our socks and we have to cross this like liquid chadar, and yeah, it's scary. This was not in the plan. This is unexpected, and yes, we shall cross this then. Okay. Cross this in this fucking cold, and it's crazy. My feet are numb right now. Man, it's so cold. We have finally reached the Tip Cave point, and this is going to be our campsite tonight. You can see around the tents are being pitched in. There is a medical emergency room. The army tent is pitched in right there. And this side is the Tip Cave. We covered a distance of 14 kilometers in 7.5 hours. We had to cross the river, and that took a lot of time and consumed our energy, but we have finally reached, and it's snowing right now. I think you can see the snowflakes in the video too. So it's going to be a dangerous night for us because we haven't seen the sun in today's day, and we really want to see the sun so that we get some warmth. see you for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. इसको जम गया है, तेल है, उसको मेल्ट करवाना है. अच्छा ठीक है,
नहीं नहीं
थोड़ी देर बाद मिलेगा. ठीक है.
हाँ
સરસો का તેલ લગાના है. હા ભાઈ, ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન આપો, શું ચાલી રહ્યું છે?
ઓકે, તો અમે લોકો અત્યારે ટીપ કેવ જે અમારો સેકન્ડ નાઇટ હોલ્ડ છે ત્યાં આવી ગયા છે. બટ અહીંયા આવતા જ અમને હવે વેધર ખરાબ થઈ ગયું છે અમારા માટે અને અચાનકથી સ્નોફોલ ચાલુ થઈ ગયો છે. ગણતરી એવી છે કે 2 સેન્ટીમીટર જેટલો જ બરફ પડશે. જો એટલો બરફ પડે છે તો અમે આવતીકાલે નેરક માટે જઈ શકીશું, અને જો એના કરતાં વધારે પડે છે તો અમારા માટે બહુ જ મોટી પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ જશે. એટલે જોઈએ કુદરત અમને કઈ રીતે સાથ આપે છે કે આવતીકાલે અમારે અહીંયા સ્ટે કરવાનું થાય છે કે આગળ નેરક તરફ જઈએ છે. એટલે હવે કાલે જ ખબર પડશે કે આજે રાત કેવી નીકળે છે અમારા માટે. તો ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ એવરીવન, અને મને પોતાને પણ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ કે આજની રાત બહુ સારી જાય. તો મેં કાલે આપણે એક ન્યૂ હેપીનેસ સાથે નેરક તરફ જઈને આપણો ટાર્ગેટ પૂરો કરીએ.
ડન. ઓકે સર, થેન્ક યુ.
થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
અમારું ટેન્ટ છે. આ ટેન્ટમાં આ વસ્તુ થીજી ના જાય એટલે અમે સ્લીપિંગ બેગમાં મૂક્યું છે. સનસ્ક્રીન, ક્રીમ, ટૂથપેસ્ટ. અને આજે અમારા જે સોક્સ ભીના થઈ ગયા હતા
સારું,
એ સોક્સ અમે સ્લીપિંગ બેગમાં જ સુકવ્યા છે. આમાં જ સુકાશે અને કાલે આને બેકપેકમાં અમે પેક કરીશું. તો જે બી વસ્તુ મારે વોર્મ રાખવાની છે સ્લીપિંગ બેગની અંદર મૂકવાની છે. અમારા બોડી ટેમ્પરેચરથી એ વોર્મ રહેશે. આ પાવર બેંક પણ જેનાથી આ ફોન અત્યારે ચાર્જ થઈ રહ્યો છે એને બી અમે અમારા હૃદય પાસે મૂકી રાખીશું. આ રોહનલાલ ઠરી રહ્યા છે અહીંયા. આજે ધુમાડો જુઓ છો, મારા મોઢાથી જ નીકળી રહ્યો છે.
અને એ બી ટેન્ટની અંદર
અંદર આ લગભગ -25 ડિગ્રી છે અત્યારે,
એટલે ટેમ્પરેચર હજુ નીચે જઈ શકે છે.
હજુ નીચે જઈ શકે છે.
સ્નોફોલ બંધ થશે એટલે.
ચલો આજ માટે આટલું જ. બાકીનો કાલના સમાચાર કાલે. Good morning friends, it's day 6. As you can see, there's a white layer of snow everywhere, and as per the talking with the army yesterday, this is the first snowfall of the season. The Chadda trek started from the 9th January and it has snowed for the first time, so the snow maybe it was for us. And today we were supposed to go to Nerak, and now there are 3 possibilities. If the sun comes out, it's not a good sign because the snow will start melting on the mountain and it will come down with the rocks. So we cannot go this way or this way. So we are stuck here for today and we'll see the weather tomorrow. And if our guide says that we can go to Nerak, then we still have an hour or 2 hours to figure that out. That if the chaddar is still frozen or flowing. You can see around it's all white, and it was cold yesterday night, but we had a good sleep because we all were tired. And let's see what is lying ahead for us.
તમારે એમ બી આખો વ્યૂ બતાવો છે.
गोकुल भाई, So in the morning I said that we might or we might not go to Nerak, but we have reached this point or Yaknamo, Yokmado, and we'll be staying overnight over here, but we'll be going to Nerak in like say half an hour. And this is the way to Nerak, where we'll see the frozen waterfall. And it's a sunny, bright day, and the way to Nerak is clear. So that's a good sign. And more updates from Nerak then. Bye bye.
Yeah, perfect.
So the way ahead is blocked, and the guys are trying to figure out if there is a way from the mountain, and we are waiting. And the army person just told that a group went in the morning and they went to the same route, and the Chadar defroze. So let's hope for the best and give the next update after some time. So we have this entertaining porter with us who keeps us entertaining with his local songs. So after a lot of adventure, we are going towards the Nerak waterfall, and it's tiring. We had to climb through these mountains, and Nerak Falls is 10 minutes away now. There is some sunlight. So this is the Zanskar river, and you can see the force. If by mistake somebody falls inside it, there are 0% chances of survival, and maybe the dead body will be fished out somewhere else. You can see the frozen waterfall over there. This place is called Nerak. It's so serene, peaceful. So friends, we have reached Nerak. This is the great waterfall of Ladakh, as you can see behind me. And it was a wonderful journey. We had to cross the river in the cold water. And there's an Indian Army group right next to us having their first session. They are even trekking. But we cannot get an official photograph since they are in uniform, but no worries. It's great to see them. And yes, we are waiting for the rest of the group, and we'll have a group picture. And then this is the point for which we did Chadar trek, and we have reached that point. And it's amazing. We have Shambhu over here. Shambhu, would you like to say something?
Sir has made this trip very memorable. Without falling.
No, I fell down.
Today he is broken his record of not falling. Really, इनको किसी forces ने आके गिरा दिया है. Hopefully it's a good sign.
Yes. It was nice meeting you to Shambhu on the trip.
So we have had a great trip and discussing Gujarat and culture and traveling. He's been to 18 countries, and this is like a small deal for him.
No, it's not. It's a big deal. It's an achievement for us.
I'm very happy to be here with everyone, and it's been a great trip.
It's the same here. Thank you, Shambhu.
Fist.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations, everyone!
Since it was a long day, the porters have come halfway and got our lunch. We have pulao for the lunch today. And we are waiting for the rest of the group. And yes, you can see them, they are approaching towards us. And there is some romantic moment going on between Bhaiya and Babi. सर म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं. हर कोई बंदा कुछ अलग अलग कर रहा है.
सफरनामा.
So this is the beauty of Chadar. In the morning we had to like get in the river, remove our socks and get wet. Right now while coming back, Chadar has been formed and our shoes are like, our feet are not wet. And there are some people in the group who chose adventure and they are coming by the mountains and they are kind of stuck.
मैं ना पड़े.
So
ये है खतरों के खिलाड़ी, देख लीजिए.
this is real Chadar. Where you So we are approaching our campsite. You can see the beautiful moon. We have been walking since 9 a.m. in the morning and it's 5:30 p.m. Here is Mr. Tashi from SDRF. He's carrying a satellite phone just in case any emergency occurs. And rest of the group coming from the summit. And here comes Mr. Gokul. Say hi. Here are my friends from Ujjain. And a lot of people at the back. I'll try zoom in. Okay. But we cannot figure out who is who. I think that is Rohan. Rohan! So Jule is the term used to greet people. Plates and they are warming the plates so ice can melt and we can clean it and we can have our breakfast. This is an everyday process they have to do before serving us food. You can see there is We are walking in the cold water of Zanskar. So guys, just walked about 200 meters in the ice snow cold water and you can see there is no place to sit to change our socks also. So you're just walking with the same shoes. You're not wearing socks and this was like the extreme experience I ever had in my life and I'm thankful that it's done and hopefully no more rivers to cross or walk in the cold water. And yeah, this was the most adventurous thing I have ever done till date. Hopefully we get a place to sit. There is no sunlight as well because of the mountains. There is no sunlight where you can sit and relax for a while. And yeah, the remaining group is coming at the behind. So guys, you can see the sunlight over there which we were looking for like the last 1.5 hours. It feels that there is the border. And we'll go take some rest and have our lunch over here. He's our DJ. Gana. Oh la la la. Acha kal. Oh la la la. Ni ma sharto. Hai ha. Cha tu la. Thank you. He is such a DJ who has a play button but does not have a stop button.
but since his throat is bad, he stopped himself. Bye. So these guys are doing an amazing job. They carry our stuff, the kitchen, the tents, and right now they are making us pasta in this atmosphere. So it's amazing, and these guys serve great food. Every day there is a dessert in the dinner, and it's amazing. There is absolutely no complaint about the food. From breakfast, lunch, dinner, they feed us so well that we can walk in such environment. So this is the core team who carry everything and make food. Cheers to them. Hi friends, so finally the Chadar trek is over. We have successfully completed the Nerak part and we are back. And tomorrow is just 4 kilometers of trek and it is very easy. And we'll be lay in 1 hour. So all the guys have successfully done it and it's a very good feeling. Thank you.
We done it!
Good morning friends. It's the last day on the Chadar and the Mother Nature has been very lucky and grateful to us because we did Nerak, came back, there was snowfall, and after the snowfall the temperature dips like anything, and we are lucky. This night has been very chilly and you can see a lot of people are going to Chadar. When we were on the Chadar trek there were only 45 of us, 15 of us and 30 other groups, and today they are 170 on Chadar, so that's going to be very difficult for them. And like there were a little bit ups and downs on the trip. We had to cross the river in the chilly frozen water, but everything is done now and we'll be leaving for Leh in like half an hour. And yes, this was an amazing trip. This was a experience of a lifetime and we liked it. Made a lot of friends. Cheers.
Best award goes to
Sony Music System.
Sony
One Gana Gao.
I love you.
Gana ka hai.
Dubkin Chadar. चलो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है दुबकी। आप पकड़ना मुझे भाई, जाने को तैयार।
डुबकी लगा ली।
बहुत गजब, शानदार डुबकी चादर।
वाह, भागो भागो भागो।
रुमाल
अंकित भाई